Papa, get now.
Yes?
Papa.
What is it?
Good evening, sir. Papa.
What is it?
The wonder has never ever end. Your son has just won 2 million naira, Papa Kenna.
What?
2 million naira your son has just won.
What?
Yes.
How?
Papa, from Niger Bets.
2 million
2
what?
million naira. Even as I'm talking to you now, your son is still there now jubilating. He's
2 million what?
2 million naira.
2 million what?
Papa Kenna. 2 million naira. 2 million naira. 2 million naira. What? Papa Kenna. 2 million naira. Papa 2 million naira. Papa calm down.
La France Museum. Mr. Loyalty. Yeah, they down, me want me down, down. Paper, me want my baby.
He's here. 2 million what? 2 million what? 2 million what? How do we catch the money? Where's the check?
There's no any money.
What?
As I win 2 million, I think na so it go be for all of them now. Can't use 2 million play. Short game over 1.5. All of them caught.
What? Are you dreaming or you are joking? 2 million naira. He caught. He caught.
2 million.
He caught.
Get out. What? 2 million. You are an idiot.
Papa, what did I do now?
You are something. You play 2 million naira game. See, next time
For
you
where
should
now?
play one. Don't play again.
For where